I ain't trying to stay, I'm on the go.
Welcome back to the YouTube, guys. So we're gonna start today by introducing everybody. Apologize on just slapping you guys with vlogs, but now we're gonna introduce everybody and why everything came about. So that's Manny, and we got my wife over there, Kat. But yeah, we're gonna introduce you guys to everybody in the team. I'm not sure how the lighting is. Tomorrow's my birthday, and on Thursday it was Jason's birthday with the G35. So wow. But okay, let me start introducing you guys to the team, and let's start that. What happened?
What's that, dude?
That's
actually cool that it's in the front.
Right? You can see yourself.
Yeah, I know. It's awesome. They're kind of pretty.
This is the IS300. He has wheels, but he hasn't put them on yet because he sold his previous wheels. Gato. Doggy.
I ain't trying to stay, I'm on the go. I'ma dip, my mind is on this dough. Whoa. I'ma dip, my mind is on this dough. I just want the dough, my God.
And then we got two Jasons in the crew. So this Jason is the one with the Beamer. It's a work in progress. I think he's on True Heart coilovers. And then we got Jace, the other Jason's, the one with the G35. This is his truck.
Get into those spot shops in there.
Bruh,
That's where it's really at, honestly.
I'm too short for this shit.
It must be nice to have money.
And then we got, of course, Gato's Civic, lowered on BCs. Huh? That's what I was saying, but I'm like, I don't know. So yeah, that's Gato's car. So much more work to do. Then we got my brother's car, the Genesis. It's lowered on D2s, and he has this tuned by SFR. Then we got Rob's Stinger, also has some mods, so it's a sleeper. Can't name them because I forgot what he bought. But then this is Jason's G35. That's a slow progress coming. He's already got bags in the works. The Stinger's also getting bags.
Oh yes, what a wonderful way. What a wonderful strategy. Yep.
But you 50 cents out. Yeah, I might need you to hold this for a second.
Hold what?
This.
Your
You don't want to know my b****.
yeah. Yeah, that was on. Jeff is here.
That's the IJD.
Bye.
Let me stop. That sounds like a disease.
OD. Hurry apply the thing.
Bro, I gotta do mad settings before I apply that. You might as well pause that. We're gonna need a second. We'll be back.
You.
Take two.
I just want the dough, I gotta go. I ain't about to stay, you just a hoe. Whoa. I ain't about to stay, you just a hoe. Line is ringing, chicken on the phone. Line is ringing, chicken on the phone. Gotta watch my ops, I keep them close. Gotta watch my ops, I keep them close.
Yeah, gotta watch my ops, I keep them close. Fuck all of my ops, they was my bros. Yeah, money on my mind, that's all I know. Money on my mind, that's all I know. When I was broke, shit, and I was outside in the cold, had to stand straight up, couldn't fold. Now these hoes pulling up on the clothes, and I was Supreme on my back, and bathing they came on the strap, and niggas don't know how to act. Shit. They call me, I don't hit them back. I just stay straight with the facts. I know them niggas gon' switch. I told them life is a bitch. Well, I stuck my dick in a bitch. Then I stuck my dick in a friend. And that shit was hella mixed. And now they all wanna cuddle. They seen the money in the duffel. What? Yeah. Tell me who gon' ride, cause I don't know. Niggas switch up all day for these hoes. Yeah. They was ride or die when I was broke. Now they tryna pull up with some smoke. Nigga.
I ain't tryna stay, I'm on the go. I ain't tryna stay, I'm on the go. I'ma dip, my mind is on this dough. I'ma dip, my mind is on this dough. I just want the dome, I gotta